Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore the possibility of a shadow strike on Iran as a second US supercarrier may soon join the USS Abraham Lincoln. This potential move marks a sharp escalation in strategic positioning across the region. The deployment of the USS George H.W. Bush alongside the USS Abraham Lincoln would concentrate immense firepower in the region. Historically, the US only deploys two carrier strike groups to the same theater when preparing for significant major combat operations. Unlike a traditional invasion, a shadow strike relies on stealth infiltration and electronic warfare to blind the enemy first. The goal is to dismantle Iran's command structure and air defenses without a formal declaration of war, using assets that remain virtually invisible to radar. The USS Abraham Lincoln operates the F-35C Lightning II, the US Navy's first carrier-based stealth fighter. These jets can penetrate deep into Iranian airspace to gather intelligence or strike missile sites without being tracked by the Bavar 373 radar system. Before any missiles fly, EA-18G Growler electronic warfare jets from the carriers would jam Iranian radar networks. This creates a digital fog, preventing Iranian SAM operators from locking onto US aircraft or communicating with their commanders. Beneath the surface, Ohio-class guided missile submarines, SSGNs, can shadow the fleet, carrying up to 154 Tomahawk cruise missiles each. These submarines can launch massive volleys from underwater, striking targets hundreds of miles inland with zero warning. While allies use Storm Shadow missiles, the US relies on the JASSM-ER, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile. US bombers and fighters can launch these stealthy cruise missiles from outside Iranian airspace, keeping pilots safe while hitting high-value bunkers. President Trump has indicated that this buildup is a leverage tool to force diplomatic concessions. However, the dual carrier presence signals that if talks fail, the US has the immediate capacity to execute a decapitation strike on Iran's military infrastructure. Pentagon is ready to send the second carrier within a matter of hours, once President Trump gives final approval. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.